Nagpangibabaw ang Iloilo Science and Technology University sa nahaunang edisyon sang DOST-PTRI Stitch-Off National Streetwear Competition. Ginapresentar sang duha ka mga bumulutho sa otoridad, ginluto sang universidad ang mga iban pa nga mga buluthuan nagikan sa nagkalain-lain nga bahin sang pungsod. Ang inyong kadalagaan tutukan ta subong nga aga sang Spotlight.
Mga kapuso, sa sining nga matinion, makaupod ta na ang duha ka madinalagon nga student designers. Anday Sir Seth Amuel Abeliano kag Isakia Ferry Lupod. Kay isa yung instructor na at the same time, Peach Garde fashion designer si Sir Peter Kagula. Good morning sa aton mga guests subong nga aga. Welcome sa GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Good morning, John.
Morning.
Good morning.
Sa relax lang kita subong aga. Okay, so luyag ta subong anay mabalaan, no? Paano ka mo nakasulod, no, sa Stitch-Off National Streetwear Competition?
Okay, so around September, there were boot camps conducted by the DOST-PTRI. There were 3 Saturdays at around September, and then we sent 14 students. And then those 14 students, we encouraged them to submit their designs. So 7 teams total, so by pair. And then we got 2 teams from ESATU that got into top 12. So we were 2 teams na nag-compete sa DOST PTRI Taguig.
Wow, that's good to hear. So di siya gali nga daw choose lang ang students, no? So may gin-undergo sila nga levels of competition.
Right.
Okay. So we're talking about streetwear competition. Pero ang nagpatigayon sini is ang DOST. Ano ang difference, no, when it comes sa mga disenyo nga ginahimo sa mga fashion designers?
While there are designers who focus on evening and formal wears, I believe, and for me, the real designers are those who introduce designs that we can wear every day, and that comes in the streetwear. And I believe the OST focused on streetwear because this is the best medium of fashion which you can inject innovation in terms of trend and technology.
Okay. Now for ma'am and sir, no, ang inyong entry gintawag nga Threads of Heritage. Anong istorya gid sa likod sini?
It's about the reimagination of Balintawak and Camisa de Chino. So, ang amon nga collection is entitled, or ang amon nga entry is entitled, The Epoch of Filipino Fashion, Threads of Heritage. So, it's again reimagination of Camisa de Chino and Balintawak.
Okay, so you want to add anything?
We wanted to innovate more in terms of streetwear, Filipino streetwear. When we say kasi Filipino streetwear, it is something that we wear on everyday basis. Mm-hmm. So yung design namin, we focus more on the Filipino side, and talagang makamasa siya. Like you can wear it every day.
Ano naman ang mga materyales nga inyo gingamit sa inyong entry? Kagte, ano kadugay ninyo ni ginhimo?
Of course, here in Iloilo, we do have certain fabrics nga dirigid ginahimo, like the hablon and the ripik. But in our case, now we used only the Philippine tropical fabrics that was produced by the DOST-PTRI because we wanted to highlight and showcase the product, the Filipino product, and its durability in terms of its economic value as well. And for us, no na kami mag-manipulate sang ilang fabric, kay breathable siya and very suitable gid sa aton nga weather here in the Philippines.
Okay. Ano naman ang inyo ano naman ang inyong mga preparations before the competition? Kay te, you have your studies, kag te, may mga others, mga ulubrahon. Paano ka mo nag-prepare?
So before kami nagkadto sa Manila, we attended 3 boot camps. So sa mga boot camps nga to, we learned so much about textile, about kung paano mag-obra sang yarns, and many more nga about sa fabrics. Yeah.
In terms of preparation, wala magid kami damo gid nga like do nag-practice gid kami. It's because nga top 12 finalist was already announced on October 15 and ang competition is on October 20. So we only have 5 days left and wala na kami time. Siguro like it's more on our experiences na lang, mga past experiences sa mga through years kag may mga naka-learn kami nga mga technique kag mga ginagamit namon sa of course nga gintudo man sa amon nga mga teachers.
Madamo sang proud gid sa inyo guro sa inyong abulutuan. So ano na lang ang message ninyo? Let's start off kay sir kag kay ma'am. Ano message ninyo sa inyong mga fellow students?
So my message to my fellow student is to never stop dreaming. Personally, I can still remember myself 8 years ago dreaming to become a successful fashion designer someday. And that is the reason why I continuously strive and paving my way to become one. And now I have realized nga because of this achievement, no, nga na-realize ko nga I am slowly getting my dreams. And of course, sa mga because of our success story, I hope that we can encourage anyone out there, especially to those students who are still confused kung ano nga kurso ang ilakwa in this college. It takes time and you need to first find your mission kag kung ano gid ang imong calling sa life, then you can pursue your passion.
Akin nga message sa mga students is never hesitate nga mag-ask guidance sa inyong mga mentors or instructors kay first and foremost sila ang una nga maka-guide sa imo to achieve your dreams. So yeah,
How about you, sir, sa mga students natin?
All right, so our goal always is to produce, the best students or the best designers. I believe that hard work comes with your skill and passion. They all come together. So never stop working, work, create. Hambal ka ni Rick Owens, no? Create. Kay with that, you can hone your skills, your talents, and your craftsmanship. And also, I'd like to take this opportunity, to invite those young aspirants or young designers out there that we are open at the ESAT ESAT University. ESAT University is the only state university across Western Visayas or Visayas that offers BS Fashion Design and Merchandising. So we have students from Negros also, and we have graduates from Mindanao.
There you have it, mga kapuso. Create. Thank you very much for your time, sirs, ma'am. Good morning.
Thank you and good morning,
thank you
Jack.
po. Good morning.